Your inner fender wells take a lot of debris on a regular basis. At some point, you've likely seen some level of damage over time. Whether it's rusting or dented, you'll want to replace it with an authentic reproduction. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1970 to 72 Cutlass and 442 inner fender wells. Our inner fender wells are carefully manufactured from injection molded ABS plastic using case hardened steel tooling. This type of tooling will ensure the top quality and authenticity you can count on in the industry. They also feature the correct contours and channels where applicable. We use a black paint mixed into the plastic to match the originals. In addition, all fender wells include pre-drilled mounting holes for your convenience. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.